We also offer the ability on our product pages to give users disparate items that might need some basic level of configuration or filtration. So on these items here, I can select different colors. The Nomad will visually indicate to the user what colors might fit what sizes and what packs you might be able to buy these different colors and sizes in. And that's all driven via feature sets in relations to stocked items to one another. And if you happen to need real configuration, we actually have the ability to build if-else conditional logic for different configuration sets. So as a user here, I can actually go through and say, oh, I want to select a certain size of an item. I want to see what end type that comes with, what my color options might be. But if I went back up here and selected another size, I might get different options now. And by selecting those options, I might also get different colors available to me. If you happen to have an item that might need more of a volumetric configuration, we do have the ability to let users enter in data points to help drive them to their proper configured item. We do also have upper and lower bounds for those. So, as a user here, I can come in and say I want a certain length, no matter let them know that there's a maximum and a minimum. And as a user, I can go through and I can select different segments and different lengths, and by using these kind of volumetric input fields, build out an actual configured items and also select any sort of options or services I want to add on to that configuration.